Welcome to Saranya recipe box. Today we are going to make a poha mixture, that is aval mixture in micro oven. So for this we need to take 2 cups of flattened rice and we are going to heat this in micro oven for 2 minutes. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. So I have set the time for 2 minutes and in between we have to keep mixing the poha. So after 1 minute I am mixing it and again start. Take another bowl and we are going to add oil to it. I'll be using olive oil. 3 to 4 teaspoons of olive oil is enough, or you can use any other oil. Now I'll be adding a teaspoon of mustard. Now I'm going to keep it in oven and I'm going to set the time for 1 minute. And after 1 minute the mustard has flattened well. Now I'll be adding a quarter cup of peanut and mix it in the same bowl, and I'm going to keep it in the oven for 2 minutes. In between we need to mix it so that it will get fried evenly. Now it is ready. Now I'll be adding quarter cup of fried gram, Bengal gram, and few curry leaves and half teaspoon of chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as required, and give a nice mix. Now you can see oil, turmeric powder, chili powder have coated well. Add the rice in also. It is optional. If you want you can add, otherwise you can skip. Now I have set the time for 30 seconds and I have placed the bowl inside the oven. Now that's it. The mixture is ready. We are going to mix it with poha. That's it. Very simple and easy to make. So you can enjoy the poha mixture, homemade poha mixture. If you find this video to be useful, do like the button and also subscribe to Saranya recipe box. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.